Well, hello there. Welcome to my channel, and I got another Army switchblade knife. This one is quite old. I've had this one for many years. To be exact, I think this is my first knife that I had. That black one was probably my second one, but I believe this was my first one, because it's got 3 blades on it. And when I was in Boy Scouts, they told me I needed to find a knife that had 3 blades and had a can opener, and then it's got this little punch cutter right here too for it's very sharp. It's to put holes in leather and whatever else you want to put holes in. And then you got your little straight screwdriver right there, then your beer opener. And then you got your regular can opener. You can tell I've had this for years because it's got a little bit of rust, and it's broken right here. This piece is broke. Right here it is. This piece is what's broke. I broke that when I was probably about 13 years old. And this is pretty loose. I don't never use this. I just put this up with my collection. Let me show you my collection. That's just a little of my collection. These are actually my good ones. I got cheap ones that I don't use. I have them put up. But mainly these are the ones I use and I like. Other than this one. These are my favorite.